To download TurboTax on your desktop, start by going to the official TurboTax website. This is the safest place to download the software, as it ensures you are getting a legitimate copy. Once on the website, click on the option to download TurboTax. You will be asked to choose which version of TurboTax you want to download, such as Deluxe, Premier, or Home and Business. Choose the version that best fits your tax needs. Next, select the operating system you are using, either Windows or Mac. This will ensure that you download the correct version of the software for your computer. You will then be prompted to create an account or sign in if you already have one. This account will be used to save your tax information and access your returns. After signing in, you will be directed to the download page. Click on the download button to start the download process. The download time will vary depending on your internet speed and the size of the software. Once the download is complete, run the installer and follow the prompts to install TurboTax on your desktop. During the installation process, you will be asked to agree to the terms and conditions and choose the installation location. Make sure to read through the terms and conditions before agreeing. The installation location is where the software will be stored on your computer, so choose a location that is easy to find. Once the installation is complete, you can launch TurboTax and start working on your tax return. Make sure to update the software regularly to ensure you have the latest tax forms and updates. It is also a good idea to back up your tax information regularly to prevent loss of data. By following these steps, you can easily download and install TurboTax on your desktop. Remember to always download from the official website and keep your software up to date to ensure a safe and secure tax filing experience.